You are broke and poor because you are arrogant. Not lazy, you're not stupid, you're just arrogant. And why do I say this? Most people in the world have a really big ego. They're not willing to invest in themselves. They're not willing to spend money in the right places. They're not willing to invest in high income skills that will pay them for a lifetime. We're talking 10, 20, 40, 50 grand a month. People are so arrogant to learn from other millionaires or multimillionaire earners because they always think it's a scam. Now let me tell you this, I'm 45 years old and I've generated over $65K in the last year online. I've invested over $10K in mentorship and high income skills, and look where it's gotten me. I'm now making over $50K a month. I don't need to worry about bills anymore. Soon I won't need to worry about working a 9 to 5. And this could be your future, but you need to get the ego out of your head and start being willing to learn, willing to invest in yourself and your education. If you want an online business that's 90% done for you without having your own products or services, click the link in my bio and I'll show you how. See you there.